Hey everybody, Jeffrey here, and I thought I'd give you a short little video of the before summer project that's been going on. I am in the middle of scraping down all the paint off my entire house. I've started with the windows. This one actually goes through the carport and up above, so that ought to be fun to get up on and do. My basement is basically made of cinder blocks, fun to paint. When I first moved in this house, I painted it white, and that did pretty good for, I don't know, 7-8 years. And then I decided to get another paint from a big box store, I won't mention the name, that actually just fell off. The entire porch is getting scraped. I'm in the middle of that. I'm gonna paint that white again. The porch floor, I think I'm gonna do burgundy again. I'm undecided on that. So anyway, you can see I have power washed it. Came up with a few different colors that I didn't know existed. But yeah, all of the windows. I have brand new siding on the top and soffit, so I don't have to worry about that. But the entire basement is second when it comes to painting. More windows. I don't know if you can tell, but if you really look at them, I've scraped and scraped and got most of it off. That one looks like it needs to be gone over again. And then through my backyard gate, there's another section that needs to be painted. And windows. Looks like the flowers need to be watered again. The door I did a couple weeks ago, the inside door anyway, so all that paint needs to be scraped off the windows. So anyway guys, that's what I'm doing this summer and fall. And I will talk to you in the next one. Haha, this one must have started early because it's only 4:30 and it's already asleep.